Crochet to the length needed for the sleeve. To narrow the cuffs, chain 1 and work single crochet into the same stitch. Then decrease by crocheting 2 single crochet stitches together. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then decrease again by crocheting 2 single crochet stitches together. Continue repeating this pattern to the end of the row. Join the row with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Work another round by repeating 1 single crochet followed by single crochet decrease worked over 2 stitches together. Continue all the way around and join the row with a slip stitch. Chain 2. Work a front post double crochet. For this stitch, insert the hook from front to back around the post of the stitch from the previous row instead of working into the top loops. This will create a ribbed texture on the front of the fabric. Next, work a back post double crochet by inserting the hook from back to front around the post of the stitch from the previous row. This pushes the stitch towards the back and creates a ribbed effect. Alternate front post double crochet and back post double crochet to the end of the row. Join the row with a slip stitch into the second chain stitch at the beginning of the row. Chain 2 and begin with a front post double crochet around the first front post stitch from the previous row. Continue alternating front post and back post double crochet to the end of the row. Cut and secure the yarn. This was design block 3, small finishing details that can completely change the overall look of your garment.